Titled Spiritual Affirmations. I am filled with divine love and boundless love. I attract spiritual blessings that elevate my soul. I have unwavering trust in the universe's perfect plan. I am grateful for miracles completed in my life. I attract abundance through faith, love, and gratitude. I have a deep connection with the spiritual world. I am surrounded by divine light and protection. Receive it. Titled Spiritual Affirmations. I am filled with divine love and boundless love. I attract spiritual blessings that elevate my soul. I have unwavering trust in the universe's perfect plan. I am grateful for miracles completed in my life. I attract abundance through faith, love, and gratitude. I have a deep connection with my spiritual world. I am surrounded by divine light and protection. Receive it. Titled Spiritual Affirmations. I am filled with divine love and boundless love. I attract spiritual blessings that elevate my soul. I have unwavering trust in the universe's perfect plan. I am grateful for miracles completed in my life. I attract abundance through faith, love, and gratitude. I have a deep connection with my spiritual purpose. I am surrounded by divine light and protection. Receive it. Titled Spiritual Affirmations. I am filled with divine love and boundless love. I attract spiritual blessings that elevate my soul. I have unwavering trust in the universe's plan. I am grateful for miracles completed in my life.
Jesus, my Savior.
Love and gratitude. I have a deep connection with my spiritual purpose. I am surrounded by divine light and protection. Receive it. Titled Spiritual Affirmations. I am filled with divine love and boundless love. I attract spiritual blessings that elevate my soul. I have unwavering trust in the universe's
Mighty
perfect
God,
plan.
come
I
and
am grateful for
rule
miracles completed in my life.
Only you can
Abundance through faith, love, and gratitude. I have a deep
in
connection
our
with my
midst.
spiritual purpose. I am surrounded by divine light and protection. Receive it. Titled Spiritual Affirmations. I am filled with divine love and boundless love. I attract spiritual blessings that elevate my soul. I have unwavering trust in the universe's purpose. I am grateful for miracles completed in my life. I attract abundance through faith, love, and gratitude. I have a deep connection with my spiritual purpose. I am surrounded by divine light and protection. Receive it. Titled Spiritual Affirmations.